Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for October 30. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries is working on a slew of measures to help farmers who have suffered damage as a result of Hurricane Sandy. Speaking on a tour of affected farm areas in Portland on Monday, State Minister Ian Hill said the ministry had begun the process of purchasing planting material and fertilizer to distribute to farmers. Discussions have also commenced with the People's Cooperative PC banks to reduce the current 8% interest rate on loans for farmers.
We are trying to get the rate down to 5%. We have been working with the PC Bank. They said they're going to cut it anywhere between 1.5 and 2%. The ministry is going to come in also and cut it by a further percent or two and bring us somewhere close to 5% in terms of the commercial farmers.
The Agriculture Ministry will also be reallocating some $200 million from its budget to assist farmers who have been affected by Sandy.
We are also meeting with the European Union in terms of getting some funds, over $10 million, in terms of subsidizing those farmers who are not under the catastrophe fund.
In the meantime, farmers are encouraged to visit the Rural Agricultural Development Authority office in their parish to keep up to date with relief efforts. Member of Parliament for West Portland, Darrell Vaz, who accompanied the State Minister on the tour, commended ministry officials for their proactive response to the plight of the farmers. Some 31,000 farmers and 3,000 hectares of land have been affected by Hurricane Sandy. Losses to the agricultural sector have so far been estimated at $2 billion. All hospitals are now fully operational except for the Anotta Bay Hospital in St. Mary, which is only facilitating emergency services. All health centers are also fully operational, excluding the Lawrence Tavern Health Center in St. Andrew and the Chepstow and St. Margaret's Bay Health Centers in Portland. These centers are only attending to emergency cases as they are currently undergoing repairs due to damage sustained by the hurricane. The Health Ministry is advising persons who usually visit the Chepstow Health Center to use the Buff Bay Health Center instead, while those who would normally visit St. Margaret's Bay should go to the Mount Pleasant or Port Antonio Health Centers. Tax Administration Jamaica TAJ is reminding hoteliers that the guest room accommodation tax will be due on Wednesday, October 31. The room tax, which was announced during the budget debate, became effective on September 1. Returns for each month become due on the last day of the following month. The guest room and accommodation tax requires hotel and guest house operators to pay a specific levy per room accommodation based on the size of their establishments. Persons needing to file returns may do so online at jamaicatax.gov.jm. Information can also be obtained via email at taxhelp@taj.gov.jm or through the helpline 1-888-TAX-HELP. That's 1-888-829-4357. As Heritage Month draws to a close, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is again urging Jamaicans to adopt the indomitable spirit of our ancestors to conquer the present challenges facing the country. Mrs. Simpson Miller was addressing the recent Accompong Maroon Conference in St. Elizabeth.
Their spirit reminds us, in the words of Marcus Mosiah Garvey, that a world of opportunities awaits us, and we must simply strike out to achieve the great things that will manifest to the world our equality in all areas of industry, commerce, science, culture, education, and politics.
And finally, the Prime Minister and her team will meet with residents of Clarendon and surrounding areas at a town hall meeting on Wednesday. The meeting will be held at Hotel Versailles in Maypen, Clarendon, beginning at 4 p.m. Persons are being encouraged to attend the meeting to hear and discuss issues of national importance that affect them and their communities. The Clarendon Town Hall meeting is the second in a series of meetings being hosted by the Prime Minister to facilitate face-to-face discussions with citizens. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.